Flying just feet above the water to evade sophisticated radar systems, this lethal swarm closed in on its target. Inside the warship's command center, total chaos erupted as advanced air defense systems failed to lock onto the threat. Boom! Direct hit. The multi-billion-dollar warship was engulfed in a massive fireball, turning the ocean into a war zone.
It wasn't just one ship. The entire naval convoy found itself surrounded and burning under an unstoppable wave of low-cost drones. Flames also consumed vital commercial oil tankers, threatening to completely choke the world's most critical energy supply routes. In Washington, emergency meetings were called instantly as defense officials realized the terrifying reality of modern warfare.
The order was given: immediate retaliation. Supersonic fighter jets scrambled from aircraft carriers into the stormy night. The skies turned into a deadly arena. Modern fighter jets engaged in high-stakes aerial combat, all to reclaim control. On the surface, defensive batteries fired wave after wave of interceptor missiles, lighting up the horizon.
Satellites monitored the rapid escalation as the conflict threatened to spill over into neighboring borders. Simultaneously, devastating cyber attacks struck military communication grids, blinding command centers worldwide.
Deep beneath the chaos, nuclear-powered submarines prepared their cruise missiles for land-based strikes.
Long-range strategic stealth bombers were deployed, carrying the ultimate warning to the enemy's mainland.
As news of the naval blockade spread, global financial markets went into a tailspin, triggering panic worldwide.
The face of global warfare has officially changed forever. No nation is safe from this new age of technology. Will diplomacy finally prevail, or are we standing on the very brink of World War III?
What do you think will happen next? Leave your thoughts below and subscribe to Rubel for more deep geopolitical analysis.